Imagine sitting on a beach on a quiet morning with no one around, watching the sun, the skies, and the sand. You watch the waves that come up and go down. Sometimes the waves are small, they rise and fall gently without causing any disturbance. Sometimes you see huge waves crashing with a big sound. As you slowly start watching the waves as they come up and go down, you find yourself getting attuned to the movement of these waves. When you start noticing the mind is calming down. The thoughts slowly disappear. The worries that you have are no more there. You are now in tune with those waves. Not many thoughts. Your mind naturally calms down. In that state of mind, when you observe the environment where you sit in, the beauty of the ocean, the vast sky, the sun, and the waves, you realize that these moments in life make it beautiful. It makes you think. The life's purpose lies not in pursuing something. It is about enjoying those moments that you come across. Most of the times we miss those moments because we are after something. We set ourselves a goal or an objective and we struggle to get to that goal. We miss the beautiful moments of life and we complain that life has no beauty in it. It has all these pain and sufferings, stress. We miss the point. We look for those moments. We take time to pursue those moments where you can enjoy the beauty of life. Not only by sitting on a beach, there are different ways you can come across the moments in your day-to-day living and enjoy the meaning and the purpose of living. This is the time for all of us to take a break from work or school and go for those moments where you can find yourself attuned to nature. You don't even have to try to do meditation. The moments when you are completely mindful take you to those states. In those states of mind, when it is completely calm, when the mind is totally observant of what's going on around, you sense the calmness, the quietness, and the beauty of living.